Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will make 2 decor items for your kids' room. So let's see what our first DIY is. Both the DIYs are actually best out of waste. So for that, we need a waste cardboard, some torn pieces of paper from any old books or magazines or even newspapers can do. With the help of glue and water mixture, we will stick these pieces of paper on the cardboard. To make glue and water mixture, you will take equal parts of glue and water and mix them together. We will cover the whole cardboard with the pieces of paper and then let it dry. After it has dried, we will do a base coat with white acrylic color. Let the first coat dry and if required, do a second coat of color. So, to paint, we will need 3-4 colors like lemon yellow, blue, orange, red. You can also take colors as per your choice. Now we'll start painting different sizes of circles. If you're not used to directly painting circles, then you can take lids of any bottles and then draw the circles first and then paint them. These will be the flowers of our design. Then we will make stems with blue color. After painting the stems, you can also paint the leaves with the same blue color. I will again paint some circles with chrome yellow color. Make some dots in the center of the circles. I have also made the stripe design on some of the flowers. After everything had dried, I painted some of the flowers red and then put dots with yellow color in the red flowers. I also did a black color border to the frame. After all the colors have dried, we will stick 2 wooden clips on the board. We can stick the clips with the help of any white glue like Fevicol. Then use these clips to hang any quote or positive message that you want to hang in your child's room. You can also hang your child's paintings on these clips. With the help of 3M scotch tape, you can hang this on the wall. And a best out of waste zero budget decor is ready. This will look very bright and colorful in your kids' room. Now let's see what our second DIY is. For this DIY also we will require a cardboard, but this would be in a circular shape. We also need some cardboard cut into small pieces. With the help of glue, we will stick these cardboard pieces on the boundary of the circular cardboard. Once all the cardboard pieces are arranged, then we will take tissue paper and with the help of glue and water mixture, we will stick the tissue paper on the whole cardboard. After sticking the tissue paper, we will let it dry for the whole night so that it has dried completely. Once it has dried, we will do a white base coat. As in the first DIY, if needed, do a second white coat also and let it dry completely. Now, to paint the small cardboard pieces, we will take Fevicol glass colors. By pouring small amounts and then spreading by the brush, we will paint all the small pieces of cardboard. You can take any colors of your choice. Glass colors give it a very shiny look and it looks very bright and colorful. Once it has dried, you can write any quote you want and decorate as per your choice. I wrote a quote in the center and stuck a Pom Pom lace on the boundary of the cardboard with the help of Fevicol. Again, with the help of 3M scotch tape, you can hang this on the wall. With the help of these DIYs, you can make sure that you have some positive affirmations in your kid's room and that will help your kid in a long way. Reading these quotes, your child will definitely feel motivated. So, in no time, we have decorated your child's room or a small part of your wall. This is very budget friendly, or rather a zero budget DIY anybody can try. If you like my DIY, please do give a thumbs up to this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.